Hello everybody, my name's Andy Pringle. I'm a teacher at Woodcote Primary School, and today we are going to do a very quick activity, maths activity, based on something from a website called Enrich. It's called Magic Crosses, as you can see on the screen. So first thing I'm going to ask you to do is have a look at the numbers that you can see on the screen. I will say now that these resources will be available on your website. Have a look at the two crosses and can you tell me what's the same and what is different? You should be able to see at a glance that the number cards are the same between each one. However, on the right hand side, let's go back. On the right hand side, if you add up the numbers horizontally and vertically, you will see that they add up to 8. So 4 plus 1 plus 3 is 8, 5 plus 1 plus 2 is 8. Whereas on this side, the horizontal numbers add up to 12 and the vertical numbers add up to only 6. This side, therefore, is known as a magic cross. This side is not. So the definition of a magic cross is that the numbers add up horizontally and vertically to the same number. So it's a very, very simple problem that everyone can engage with because it all starts at the same point. So can you come up with another magic cross using the same numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, but using them in a different way? So can you make a magic cross using exactly the same numbers but in a different way, so perhaps not having one in the middle, for example? And how many different ways could you use those numbers to make magic crosses? And that is your task. It's nice and simple. How many different ways can you come up with magic crosses using those numbers? Remember, the magic cross simply means that the vertical numbers have to add up to the same number as the horizontal numbers. If you manage to do that, then there are some other things you can do.